So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. Now once you run this, let's just say for example I wanted to block or allow the connection of Reddit. You can do any website that you want. You want to type in ns lookup space and then www dot, then the website name, so I'm just going to do Reddit for example, and then .com. Click on enter. And now once you're on this, you just want to take note of these addresses. You don't need to copy and paste them yet. You want to leave this open and then you want to head over to search and type in Windows Defender Firewall. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on Advanced Settings. And now you want to click on Outbound Rules. And then you want to click on New Rule. And now you want to click on Custom. Next. And then select all programs. Click on Next. And then click on Next again. And then where it says which remote IP addresses does this rule apply to, you want to click on these IP addresses. And you could also choose if you want it to be a local IP address or remote IP address. If you want to do like a website, I recommend going with a remote IP address. If it's something local, then you can just go with this, local. And then click on add. And now you want to type in the IP address right here. So you're going to go back to CMD. And then you should copy the first address that you have. You may have only one or you may have multiple. So you should copy the ones that you can see. So Control C, go back to here, Control V, click on OK. Now I've got two, so I'm going to be doing it again. So I'm going to click on add, go back to CMD, and then copy the second one. Again, you may have only one, or you may have like 3, 4, you may have 2. So you want to copy all of them, close out of CMD, paste it right here, and then click on OK. And then once you've done that, you want to make sure you have these IP addresses still selected. And you're going to have all your IP addresses right here. Click on next. And then you could either block or allow the connection. So it's up to you which one you want to go with. I'm just going to go with block for this tutorial, but you can go with allow if you want. Click on next. And then click on next again. Type in your name that you want. I'm just going to type in Reddit. Click on finish. And then you're done. It should be working now, but if you want, you could just restart your computer just to make sure. And then you should be good to go.